selinanekile fela yabo sebele perform lawo stage like and manje mina like nje 4 beers chakatola khotman la muzongixolela ukuthi manje sengikhipha amafela kanje ukuthi manje ayina ubonanekile wawe stage khotman
talent ibhaya fi flop net nje
ngale khushila kantwana yazwayo dala ngina enhlizweni
like
khona wase bathi utapes utapes like une studio ngasho ukuthi like almost like every rapper ifilo recorder la mara mina ngasho etapes njami mina ngasho namanje ndaba akustili speed nixobulela speed kujwethu khona wambhayizisa emfethi like khona ifile efika kanje utala eparle iproud ukuthi idla amarenza wami ena manje mathi ngabheka mina should like le ngifuna like even if like izobhekeleka ngibe ne story baba mina ngeke ngizolela ugele baba mina khona bogele kube like mangicela ukuperforma yangifuna mara mina ngifuna ngoba mina ngifuna lebohanga lebohanga bafethu alimcabi nina mara lebohanga.
Stay tuned for Know the Game.
Show bafethu it's your boy Penny the real Penny Tompana wako Fredo Simpana wako Kas. Welcome to Know the Game bafethu episode 11 bafethu nazi nani sikhona la vandag bafethu nazi bhekani vandag nazi ukuthi angeke ngihambe ngiwane ngihamba nezinja zami ngayi
yacaba bafethu bani deni landiyani noma
sithi yenzani
nyandi
senzani spicy
athini Mr Flavor Europe ndacaba bafethu ngecaba yile khombi namasimba vele upenipini nolandani sibuyile
ngaza bayi10 ngabayenzani
singabaslicer
hayi
khona yeah bafethu don't forget to subscribe comment hit the like button the notification button yonke into
ngiyobonayo
ngiyabona panda if yakwazi ukufunda ungafunda iskipa sali out ihleli la ngiyona mara pere singayiwiki
shabana kale bot alright
ileshanga nelitelela
ishangani vele achi anasisiza ngamashangani vele ngishangani ya ngiphingi ngiyafuna
hayi ungabashanga ama intro vele
mara flopile wana cha flopile ba menringisa izolo ana nomchangani ntanga yena menringisa izolo
omensho bashangani
wena menringa shangani boti ayizolo wacava yini obvious defense time yathi 2 nama fans wa manicaba konibhaka sirap ama fans la kashikashi so like wena mazobuza question untwana ubuza question bayithula
sambe song isonto bafethu
ngaba bite intro ta trend
intro like is simple utekzini uyitekane vayela kuyitekana uphuma ba like utekzini uphuma ba kule gama lele like labantu engikhulene nabo bengakhona ukuthi yitekane abakuni nitekane tekane so tekzini uphuma la kutekane yangithola boy ana wasukuningi like ngizokuzwa yima sikhuluma nontwana
hayi babona vele ukuthi kwenzakalani bafethu sila bafethu obvious nazi bafethu no the game bafethu so texting simbizile ngayi uthini spana ngithola asangantshela ukuthi vele yini ispan sakhe maka abamaziwa abacomment lapho basho ukuthi
abamaziwa bangeke babuza into ebhaya bane story
ngithola abacomment ngengoma yakhe wana ngithola
mina yazi nami ngifuna ukushaya iline yami favorite line from Texas
awushaye boy
ukushayela ndiyazi ngichaza ngani esishanga
shaye boy
ngikwazi ukurap ngithola ama like line ebhaya mina neTexini mfana luyaweyisa ngithola lezo bathini
awumshayelela ngesiZulu la
athi translation ngithola
translation ungasathi uNtexini lomtshito eshisayo
yes
indaba nina nisefonini ngeke nikhona ukungithinta yabo ife kupossible ukuthi ngithini ngoba niyazi ukuthi ngiyashisa ngithola yeah man shout out to Tiamu Chico yazali ngulele
wala lapho
tanko khotmani
yebo siphethe inja yakho
nale yakwaChauke bathu bani Chris 7 ba 7 upset shout to you Tamina khotman ehle kakusiya Tiam la khotman lam Chico la khoti Tiam but 7 khotman lam no Chico understand mina kuthi like ngirap u7 mina bengisaba ukurapper like ngisishangane like ngisizulu ngiyishangane
cause uzofuna ukubalanda ngesishangane
no like kunale question there like mina ngikhulele deep blue njalo so like i deep blue njani section yamaZulu amashangane yabesuthu so thina like mina ngisemaphakathini bengilala Extreme Park esemazulwini so like mangifika la ngizoperforma ngesishangane bengeke like
bayifile
so like I was forced ukuthi ngirappe ngesizulu yangisola but bengisaba ukurappa ngesizulu until ngizwa uChris I'm done khomela bodi mkhulu komitana iChris mara nginami Chris
ngishaka kamala straight ishima
Chris Chauke Christian Chauke u7
bayishanga kamala straight
ikhot marame yena le so like mina like I believe ukuthi like na yacaba ukuthi angisa deserve ukuthi ngamiza ngoma 7 ne right ukuthi iChris wena nganela kon rap afanda and look sharing last time could like bacaba things in cause of wena mfethu like mina bengisaba njalo ngifike endaweni rapping ngesizulu ngishangane wanga rapping ngesishangane
cause umshangane
mara ngazwa uChris ngithi first time ngizwa leso sileya ngata boy like abangibelieve
abangibelieve direct live vele la ithi why rap unga rap
ngejangi
ngeni panere ngikhe
shangana yona lenewa don't abha like look no I could like no perform like ashangane one come like isikhathini bang perform ashangane no feel ngithi ngishaye kasela wa rap ayishizulu uremchangana like I got a story ngefiyam like yena ucela ukungibona afanda but ifeka ne story utaqaqoli ifatela 7
siyafuna ukutshela into okwenza manje
ikona ngikhiphe i-album lesishangane ngenzele ukuthi like amashangane angangikhulumi kabi
obviously ngabalahla
bazi matsonga emashangane matsonga
before ifika kati makatati album and stuff mango like ayitanqanywa if iba sona mfele mthi introducing stage name kushuma vala whatever
sure
very ayilaka michela ku inishinga inspire like since ngena game
mina 7 yena mina like like ngidlalo like umgugu like hide and seek 7 uwe like wangikhuthaza mina njengoba ngitshela like mina bengibhala ngezulu like before ngicaba uChris Sema ngizwa uChris like first day ngizwa uChris ngatshela ukuthi like baby like angizosi track la boy ayishangane le yathi hayi wena shangane kanje uqalile ngalokushangana bakho so ngathi yazi ithi ngenza research ngalo ma 7 lo
bawuthi ama track apha
mangathi ubheka like profile yakhe kufezana like Peter Hlongwane Masobe Moda Thomas Chau ke solo boemhlengu
ayabona ukuthi
alikishangane alikin umzulu
zamamela labantu la
like from there nje mina ngakhuthaza u7 like abantu ababhaka bathi ngisana njengo7
so wenithi mabathu sound njengo7
mithi akusure abangwena sound nje 7 no7 une story oyazi ukuthi mina angisound njengaye like no knock smashbox what are things in bakunyela mpala mina barusona nje 7 ngabo and abanye bathi ngifana no7 angifunda
vele nerambe ngizathi ngizokutshela
afani njalo
ayifani ntwana
leli ninetito bushangane
bakwaye bushangane bakwaye ikhaya
senzaziveza yenzo sibona la
standard ya nische ucomment lapho ngitho if bayafana labantu
bheka labantu laba vele bheka
hayi
it's like khona ezinye ithome zakama7 like nokuzibheka nami nokuzibona la ngithola
ukuthi uwe kancane
angifana mina dimasi mara mina like angifuni umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi like ngifana ama7 like ngijumpile mina ukuthi okay sharp okay mina ngiyavuma like 7 Matala Georgia like Georgia like Khotman lethu and then number 2 uma7 ilasborn uTexin like now u7 like aqala like masabe awuchika sim count uchika like ishangani akafani nathi like mara lezi ngizibali like Texin Georgia 7 like masingabe la C3 bangathi like first born uGeorgia second born uma7 that's born like him like lento like yenze isikhathi isibhala like unabo amakhotman da ilasbona kangwena leyo one guy mina ngishabalala bochauka ngibazi maybe like bayacavana mara mina ngishabalala mina nimbombi nimshengu nimakhotahlabele na ija kotihlapi should like noma ugela ngafika nokuyimfish chawa mina njalo
okay but man yabona yabona indaba zisishanga nakho comfortable ngazi
baba yazi it's ngimlete sontwana yabo ukuthi indaba yesishangana nami ngisijutha kanti hayi nesikoti grab ashangana man ngikhohle ukuthi like ngishangana so like there's no way ukuthi like indaba yesishangana akayikhoni
hayi ukuthi angikho
like yam ebaba mchangana demon ebaba mina nginama fans like ama fans wamacaba abanye bangicaba ngishaya ikasi rap bangani bantu ba like ngibulabula isitsonga so like wena umtsonga umzulu so like ntarengana isizulu ngayi ngashangana ngayi like ya balance yari ban like mina ngile look like ngeke like siyamashangana sithu sikhuluma isizulu just cause like sifuna ukuphiza labantu la labantu abasibhekelele mele bacaka do shoot le ishangana oh lo mzulu ya injalo
ayeni
bathi abatshela ukuthi nama track ayingaki so release
maybe ngama 42,000 ngama tracks it's like
42,000
mara like now I was like in the online like in the manje so like online no like na 2 tracks but like mina like la bangicabe before kufika lento zama online ngama track apart
so feri leta ithuta tingakwana online tukumeka ka digital platform ti
Inquadro Spotify, YouTube, in
Apple Music, whatever.
Obviously, as long like you Spotify, YouTube, should talk about Shazam, like you get you Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Mama says I was TikTok things on Twitter. I'm also to matrika too. I'm forget like 2 tracks.
So feri it takes in mabitomate track.
Bit loku texin kule mic utanukuma
mfethu texin
kule mic
bafaliwe
texin kule mic baba utexin yimi ngiyi1 akekho umuntu texin lo ukhona shoot like ube khona after me le kama
bava
njengoba ngitshela le kama la texin like igama like
eliphuma kuba
like mina ngikhule namazulu namavenda nabesuthu ngikhulele eDiepkloof mina bebengakhona ukuthi hi tekani understand but etekani zonke yini so utexin uphuma kutekani lo ya bafaka uzini bathi
texin obviously isichidena ke
njalo nje mara le gama leli ngilithola ngemadayisini le gama leli ngithole elokishini estratini ngithole emashiteni mangafika utexin ibingiyi1 amuku yini futhi ngibeka sichanga texin mina nire 1 wakona 1
so
it is in the west so
course yeah le podcasting like father like after mina should like ngiyoza izinja
they buy school tingishenga ngibenge sikolo singere
baya
fukumani lekweti nje yakujana
amane rega baya ngastela maye okay I think ngeke ngikubuze into engizele yona yiwa basengirega baya angibona ngehotmani utengrega baya
ukosmeni yabona nami ngithanda vele leta soma nkongo
lo kanibotisa isichangani mina lowane ematsonga ngomali lipombe nenoma kamala mina ntibo go uma
makamala mina
yimi kuphela ukuthi ngikhuluma isiZulu
une right
mina nje obvious
akulela ka west
so obvious ay bafethi yabona lesi efuna ukungilwisa ndemanje ngathi yakhohle ukuthi sifa
show yakho ngiyaqinisa
yeah so obvious ngotmane sicela nje ukazi ukuthi like umculo like uqale kanjani ngithola before vele nje wasuka wathi feli ke ngithola siyaligibela ore
no yazi like khona ezinye izinto elefini nje like uzalwa nayo but ngeke uyibone
ngaleso isikhathi masahamba
like yabona isikhathi kaNkulunkulu nje isikhathi right like abantu ababhayi like angeke bayibelieve until like yenzeka kube ukuthi like isikhathi kaMdali is secret like mina khona le track la Zola don't cry
mina
track like ngishaya like scratch ngishaya lonke ngoba le trick like tear gas chance ngishaya lonke angithola so kwaba nama-hotman like abazange baba nekwali kunami lapho ntwana mina like wena wonke rape like daring le unayo kuwe like nami feel like benginayo like deep down but like ukuthi ngibhale but first time thema ngibhala thema ngithi ngicobe ipen ngicobe iphepha ngabhale ngesizulu ngithola but lento le angizange ngarapper until ngicaba njengoba ngitshela athi ngacaba uChris
so like wena amir ghostwriter nje matsala shaya
no wacaba ghostwriter yini
mina tsala kumuntu track
mina ngari ghostwriter but I was a rapper lwachaba ku performer amahlweni kabantu cause abantu batangibusa ku rapper ngezulu oyishangana
so mara back then amir write track like am the recorder ka ramtsala
like mina like first track yami ni Bena Chico like Chico Azana. Shout out to Chico Azana.
Siqale ngayo.
Shayina like first track like masingene studio le track le nje yami. Sashaya in 30 minutes. Asina chorus. I track ring one like track era I DK like kuni like cut in short it improve. Like that ring I DK like since like mana Chico be like my DK. So
Chico my DK.
Baba Chico tsakambela abantu kwena Gomora baba wena ugeleza khomana ugeleza tiya ugeleza tipile baba uma ka se one
baba mina ni receipt kamani
okay itsingibeke kanje angazi ukuthi like yena like utsolwe mara mina njengoba ngicaba uChico ngicabela izone 2 and ngimcaba like uChico wageleze ile primary ngageleza kuyo waya ku secondary le bengeleza kuyo waya ku high school le bengeleza kuyo like maybe yena like makacaba ifile like bamzalele eGomora mina bangizalele eclinic azone 3 atk so Chico ngimcabela eDiploof le ukuthi ma eGomora inina ngicabe njalo
ngifuna
ukuzabaya so yena uyocaba
khotmane nasince mikufiri first track ngiyena Chico yini amsetsa like mispana na molwe anga khoti a gaming
I 7
color
mina was 7
shawu hayi kho
how many
tracks like they two dama 7 and then one track yami yona like the track le ngagcina ku Spina 7 mara shout out to my 7 khotman ramena ku like bana taxin fandaga bana baba bana story ku na ntwana le bango taxin because of wena 7 and manje that ain't like ani ring cause mbona ti camera wayicaba bekho manje like ngeke ngigaye phone yami ngibonisa ama convo wami no7 yabo but like yena uyacaba ukuthi like mina ngotaxin because of yena injalo
so nje afuna usitshela manje story nyana nje silahisayo ngithola
ayitori esibaya
maybe ma 7 aflopile bomashayo kakhulu amapia la
nda ku 7 ngeke phela nje mayikabi ne akayifuni ukuthi like ngikhulumele le but ngikhuluma ngoba fanda akekho yena
ngoba ukoma zebhekele
zikhuluma le u7 celebrity so like there's no way ngakhuluma ngo7 asikhulume ngentanga zama boChico abomabheshu
ukuthi amana khethe mina ngakhetha story saka Shakadola feel yabo Shakadola ngiyambona sonke sakhe Shakti afiri ngaya ku taxi feel yabo angihlazi khotman la mara lento engizoyikhuluma yacaba idalekile shuto Shakadola ngifika la uChico beka host yabo bathi taxi no timing fayela hantu zwakala la mangithi ngibhekile napa bo Sigebengu abantu ngathi ngabacaba uSigebengu uChakadola uma7 anenye uhulumeni ngicaba na uhulumeni no Master P kulezi ngathi like nabacaba personal like akure 5 and then kuba mina ngithe mangifika ile story lesibe ngitshela sona ngaphandle sema ngilenda la ngicela ukulenda like ekasila kaChico uChakadola wangibona atanto izinto yakhe
manizwakala I feel like nami ngisemaplakini
Yeah, obviously.
ngithola uyazi masemaplakini like uringa noma ubani awona ndaba awachakatolo wathi yimi ukhala ngebhili athi ukuthi like nami ngiwomi ngikrele takho ngosikhatha xa ubhayela bhili ngathi 2 yama slay queen
slay queen asazi slay queen
sharp
asazi laba abasazi laba abashili
eshiko lokho wena grade awuthamina ka celebration yawena yogcina event lonke ayichuna la ubutane 7 ubutane skebing ubutane chakatolo ubutane ulumeni ubutane texini ringa yona leniwa should like umntwana uchakatolo khotmana kusintwana khotmana selinanekile fela yabo sebele perform lawo stage correct ene manje mina like njengoba awakanje mina ngimengiwana abantu ababhayela baminga ngapha ene mina sengiyacaba ukuthi uwiswa yimina dima
yeah slay queen
yazuphuze ngakhe nje yami mina ngithema ngiphuma ngeFreedom Park mina angeke like ngiyendaweni ngisuke eFreedom Park ngaphuzanga
Semafike Josi khona la.
Semafike Josi ngapressa. Semafike Gomara ngapressa. Uchakatoya 4 beers. Chakatoya khotman la muzongixolela ukuthi manje sengikhipha amafela kanje ukuthi manje. Hey na ubonanekile. Wa stage khotman wa. Shit my if la khangwana ngwane boy like.
Yavele aba for sure khona ne video yakho nje.
Obviously, management into ngicaba ukuthi ngo performer. Khona abantu abahliza bashuta so chakatola njengoba
awile
yo so
bafethu asiyendani chakatola zongikwatela phela ikhotmani ya khotmani ayithi khotmani angikhipha amafile or in amajezi angibuzile kusaki into engathi yangihlekisa yangiphasa grey sesingibamba gig khotmani anku ajami should yaki mina yazi debe bengihappy ngayo should khotmani ngiphase grey dakiwe akusento ukuthi like ngishanye busy 2 abaseplakini waphuma ngibambe nge4 sathi wakhopula nobosuthu yazi ithi ay khotmana chakatola mfisi ngakwateli mafuna umshaya engizolanda uChris e7 lokuyona ibhali e7 mntandwele emhlengwe should like ikhotmana like ithi ngitshela ibhali like mina for mina uChakatola ma7 uNox angilingani nabo
zekhoyi
zitala kunami YH igame for me like ama-khotman angiringi lento lengiringa cause like ngifuna ukumbhekisela uChakatola like ungibuze ngequestion like
obvious
kuthi like yakuphatha great I would like manje mangifuna ukukhipha amafile or yini anasidala siwayite yabo khotman like khotman like sikindezi khotman langiphatha great like I was there because him ngambhayela beer la in mind like nyo angibhayela beer cause like ngibheka ama flop wakhe khotman iFchakatola zongilanda Texin shoot yakangicaba
obvious
uTexin no yangisola so like nama was happy ukuthi khotman lang recognize ithi yazi singimshaya nge2 bekathi ufuna ama energy
amaqwarana
ngazwela ekhotman yakhombula singana kule tavern eyanga indabo igomore yecaba mina ngicaba but besithi sifuna ama energize
like inkomikahle makalile komlaha
ebethu like okay tamikenda like example namwera 10 years nanyana 7 mara ikona ndere ngatakuchela kura 7 usama ichuna inhlekisi understand
ndele ya profess meet up na Chakatola
maybe ku ayihlangana maybe ku first meet up right ku first meet ayihlangana rusungula la and then kona to wecaba amadikisi isring sasekasi iphakameso lang ushiko kapaya so lento like orto betara madikis and Chakatola mbala dikis so Chakatola ngithola vele like ngomela lento le athente mina ungibiza antics asi angikhaphe ngiyobhayibhi ngitari le senza khulumana noma dishes
yeah
wathi hayi wena wazongitshela amasimo ama dishes yimi nje ama dishes uba noma dishes like mangibeka grade
yeah
ushaka doyle akayicabi lento leya
oh yeah cha ukuthi umatiji
ibeka icaba ngaba ringa ngale ukuthi hayi yimi nje ama dishes ene mina mangithi ngiyabheka la ku kasrep inje ama dishes iwa shaka doyle trouble seka trip indaba ne bafit nani like angifuni mina like lento le ezinye amanyama answer like atali like ka beef you understand
yeah obvious
like mina umuntu ongangibuza ngo 7 Chico or Nox no George like ngagaya ama answer
yeah manje
ngangibuza ngabo Sifilikwane ngangibuza ngabo
empty abafundi
okay sawa Cosman
ayikuthi ngimfuna uSifilikwane ayikuthi
ayikho kanjalo bafethu ayikho kanjalo Cosman
sure
ngicela ngisishangane le
I have a question
about son board ngachawa
I have a question Mbablo ni makata kuri mina close to 100 songs ne mengese atikona like online and stuff ne
yeah
why tukutinga kona online second follow up question ya mina kuri logo misungula ke ku recording a studio am recorder malmun and me ending back mali ya leyo na ku ya ti performance na sungana
okay ngomela kusungula ile yogcina question
okay
amen believer ku okay sorry kubula so ngiyaqala ukukhuluma lento lengizoyikhuluma manje mina nginamasimba ngiyashisa ngiyasicaba so like hotman like doni sakho ikona but kwaba producer engatandakelise but money beka so kwaba they will like me sakho ikona kufika ni speed but kai shadi be maleleyo
yeah
mastuba why but gaman angahleketeleli namunhla mastwezis uhleta ku shisa leshwane shingani pfuna ka track ya so mana mina ibot na senla 10 years kan rap whatsa antona manakela
studio time
ay
since company studio time
since like first track recording mahala the as nimzeko like number 100 and something tracks ngana to
ezinye zivuna
and the mind like why tinga kona online loko nti record track letiya asingose bakona so the online is there like ubaya melo buy disc njani senge disc nguguy sponsor so like ama track dance ngenzani ngifana with azin ama dance afuna into zamahala span eboy thomana kela studio asamana akela and mina ni believe ku hey na wena ti producer ko mina ngitini ngakeli mina studio time ko nta kombisa nyiko ya mina ku yikulu ku fika kwi loko be wena wo ta hengwenya wengwe wo fefa ka studio utshika record loko la mali ta dzula after ku wena ula mali
so like ngwena khotmane since noko I'm never sitsa mkhafa
I never as long
la kanjani iti
the force as long comment the force come fantastic ngeke ngikhafe mina u fantastic ngishayile isishangane what the force ngishayile kasrap like nama producer ay2 mina njalo what the force mangifuna ukushaya kasrap yeah what the force mangifuna strong gaza rap nyaka dinataka fantastic nande
umuntu siza matrip
awuthi bitawo
mabazifuna no
tawo iboy fantastic DX iboy the force like metric that by like okay kunibeka so trick that by for sure ducaba kwe the boy the force but ashangana na rap ko shangana the boy fantastic mina the force epaka sa rap da angashikoto kopa maremba ya shangana yeah
so manje mina ngiyakuza ukuthi feel ukukhuluma ngendaba zama performance nani so abantu like umuntu obhekelele if maybe uzishanga ukubhuka
uchacha kanjani
yeah uchacha kanjani khona itholakala kanjani
mina njengoba ngintshele supplement ngaphandle mina ngisi celebrate osharp phela ngangibona ngathi ni celeb mina ngisi celebrate mina ngimcoba njengomntwana out ephilayo njengami ufuna umntwana efike hotman come 5 clip namtaphe for ntazwakala
yeah
angithola
any price mayiteka ngona as long as
it depends ukuri like indawo kanjani yabona like ngozo ngibiza ku pub lapha ngifuna inyuke ebhaya ngibiza estradini
basithi street bash
anginandawo noma ngigaye 5 clip angirene
zoba
as long as estradini like lento le estradini phela bheka yi estradini akungena abantu ababhaya but most like if indawo secured
kungena abantu
should like kunama bounce egedini tikiti ngena lapho ngizofuna imali ebhaya but estradini hambi
uyazi ungumuntu file ngizona
so mabafuna ukuza phela ya bamlaba bamkhoma njani
singibona indaba angithi mina angikho active kula ma social media yabo mina ngumuntu wama calls ethi ngiringa nabo boti angiyazi abosesebengeni labo sesanele like hlezi ngibadisa yabo ngabhifa ngeke bangifune mina bogela abancane yabona DX so abancane bogela khuleka ngibengana boboti awunalo sichangane boboti texini loko mlava ku nibhuka ikhona balance ya mina but very ngai jumpa loko baya kuyibhuka bayibhuka etswala ntwana nkomo
ina ku ringanisha
bayibhuka etswala abayigayi nyuku hanta ngizokubhayela ikhesi ngizogaya iplate like mfethu like ngiyadla kithi mfethu ngiyaphuza no like ngizibhayele anginid umuntu ukuthi
akayi plate or
ngikayi imali noma ngathi eve 2 clipper tekuzeni utakhandiye yona oyakaya akacabi ukuthi angativi konteini what if like ne transport engimele like kule gig leyo leyo clipper leyo ngenzani ngibhaya amabhiya ngibhayela abani
driver wakho
so like bona bafuna ula mali mu mfethu noma ngathi ngifuna 2000 ngaba ngigaya
angeke obvious
Nila sole makamu yeka funa 2000 sole makamu angena be 2000 bongwena problem yangona i1 ithi ngitshele valo njami mina like ngenhlanhla yokuthi like ngoshe anjami kumnandi ukuba ishangana mina akacaba ntwana yebo baba komchangane mina bonifa mnduku nhlentsolo baku tichuze ulakuba mina ngokwamchangane njalo
ishayo ngezulu lapho senzele nabantu fika
shit like noma ngabhoda kusasa bathi ngichoose view ukuthi like ngifuna ukuba yini ngifuna ukuba ishangane mina will never trade ubushangane bamfo any language njalo mina ngishangane
proud
shoot like
ile shangane elitelelayo
bayakwata amashangane maybe ubhodi kuthi ubhodi out njengam but like abantu abakhalayo like ama females dai ngona bot my boyile umshikiva shesho like yazi why ngibhayile shangane basibiza ngamashangane
obvious
basibiza ngamashangane and manje like wena nje am on right ukuthi ungibize ngeshangane untwana uyeni right ungibiza ukuthi hayi hot man ishangane uyishangane lento le ibuya va kule gama lela bunika le like mas America bona ama black American abizana ngamanika but mangafika ingama ethi nika angithola njani nelumbiza ngeshangane nina ngitsonga nemshangane
hayi akubutisa question ya like me feel njani imaka yopfalelana ikazi because like nandavini talent ibhaya fi flop net nje
le question akantwana yazi why dala ngina enhlizweni
like
khona wase bathi utapes utapes like une studio ngasho ukuthi like almost like every rapper ifilo recorder la mara mina ngasho etapes njami mina ngasho namanje ndaba akustiki speed nixobulela speed kujwethu khona wambhayizisa emfethi like khona abantu bangwane ntwana mina ne dingefika 7 dingena la dikudla ku record andibhalela 7 dinga ngeke nje but ithi ngitshele vari asikwada masikwada mina Freedom Park mina ke komrep ongishivisayo ngekho
mele ngikuma la katile
Swaslego yabona Swaslego for mina Swaslego is the only artist mina ngibona ngathi like mase sikhuluma ngokuthi like ngi artist ngasicompare nayo uswazi le anika le 35 ile artist Freedom
Park graphics
lezi zinye lezi akusama artist le ngasinawo ama track in fact ngeke ukuthi uyi artist ntume Freedom Park mina nje amasinga eZimbabwe siye Mozambique no ngizokutshela angimazi mara igama yes why rap angishangani basazi shangani ngaleli baba mina ethi ngitshela I'm sorry amajezi ngizongixolela kusho kanje ayithi ngakhaza ngamagama yabona bobeliever buthi why chips ngikhaza for mina chips i-producer ngikhaza uTips ngixoba njengathi amoda force ila moslami la shama beat
phela
amixa ama track asinike akusabantu mele ba rap ngikhaza mara espire la azikho njalo azikho
beja ngawo
Pecha ngelefi yami mangabe ukhona uzongihlule Freedom Park ningibulale mina ake khombre bonga ngibandise Freedom Park
mele mtukumara kati cypher yave
bona ubona cypher boy cypher ne like nakukendlela xikombiso ngeni rapper ka cypher strategy sen groot for the like then ni tune like na songo like ukuma like usole sime strategy ni rap angisayishuni ring but amajita wa bathini atenzi nochuweli watonga angikhomi la amasayfa lokuthi sime strategy sirap ngoyenza sicela ukurap manje ngifuna imali baba angakona rap angatanimela mina Freedom Park ishangani asibeki kasirap esayidini ishangani baba nani bash changani Wastaba why Christian Fatel Bashangane boy
Anotito tila ntangu
Bashangane mina 7 ihlangane ku la kuphakamisa xigaza ayeka sire la kuphakamisa xigaza imaka in fact just imagine samina 7 is keeper not yam
that's somehow
ngba manje ibol
ngada ngathi ufuna ukucabanga question
khulia yeah back to ka game ya wena ner imani lo imlaba ku collaborate na yena except Boma 7 because already mitereni na bona like bana ba bangele gaming ba bona ku ngari ngona ri kono kuma that 2 or 3
mngese ya kule bot kwa bot babona ka xikaza rap
I exclude any xikaza rap I ku industry
okay I believe in music okay mina bot ne loko bongama ba go effect ile 100,000 la artist mata mina landa mali bot loko no kangalandi Oscar Makamu ne tanda sule Makamu bot ngela ko am rapper mina ngata ngilanda mina bot ne biva ko am rap wa Mtsonga anhlula ku mina bot hayi baba ngipetha ngempilo yami if yangihlula abangibulali ungangitshela ngo EMC style ungangitshela ngomthimbane yabona mazongitshela ngoSport shuta uyicabe rap bosa Tompondo shuku yazo wathina uTompo wada fit masenzo compare iHotman no Xphola bafit mina ngibana uTexini yazo why like mina ngikhulele eJozi njami irap yami neselipomp ngeke sifaka angirapela abantu beselipomp mina ngiyashova ngizona no ngiyashova ngiyarengisha like mangibhala ngiyashova should like when if like umakasana njengami uzongifatela mara mangizoshova ilipompu ngeke bangifatele
obvious angithi uphuma ngaye yivele yabo
injalo
ebona ukuthi badide yabo
akuna not
moli mhlamula royetelela
not even Vokanisi or Bo J John or anyone
mina kash kaza rap sitama ngibona to as like yabona ama question akanje angwancanya ngoba kuzoba ngathi mina ngiyazibona since like ngibamba 33 years this year since kuba yimi njami ngiyacaba one mic no matter mina boy no matter boy banqovile mina la boy like like bengindafo ukuthi bangishuthe ngivele TV yazi flop kwenza kale mina kashikaza rap intala sikhoja lo SKJ bengivale wathama SKJ what was SKJ went one pocha boy with Mavraka
bituna rqa
o ti SKJ okay Mavraka yawuthinga dlewa SKJ
so mina ngimrap
njana yiyona mrapa nongitala kagazi mina kashikaza rap intala bamrapa am2 intala SKJ isikhoja lo nantona yenwa yazi lento leya ngahlangana naye ku one mic kuma audition bathi utsonga rap god mina bengicala mano sungula ku nhlangana na rapper a rapa nrurume bengicala ngitatazela you shadla utsonga rap god njama like noma ngamgugula akekho for mina like iya sengifuna uspana nayo leya
utsonga rap god Tsonga rap social media Tsonga rap god.
Ibitrayo stage name show Tsonga rap god ntwana blind. I rapper yesishangani. My set yabatlaza ayifana nathi. Sokubeka ngevele ngesizulu. Ithi slow. Babana ngathi ya confuse ngesonke ishangani.
Yes.
Khohle.
Yes.
Uta comparable. Boshphola like mina ngishaya kasi rap. Aboshphola like obvious zidumile ngoba zona zishaya ishigaza rap. Nani baqasi rap mfethu. Aboshphola for mina. Ayintwana lesi. Mina laba shphola namthimbani bahlanganini.
Ngayimela beef straight.
Ngiyimela beef mara lokusoya ku result track. Ngabaphathenile boy.
Ngikumathemba ngine self confidence
music video.
No, khona music videos eshaya
boy. Ngithola abashanga ama-beat.
Ufuna ukudonsa ngathi muchikwaza echiko manje takubheni mara uchiko uyachaba une story ngimtshela ukuthi ngifuna shaya like a music video ye DX. Vaya ini obvious uchiko naye into asikhulumayo lapha into esenhlizweni like nami into engikhulumayo lapha abantu abangazicabi bazothi like it's just a track akusi song kuphela like
okay story behind
it phezwe line yakho ngithola
ikanye ngifisa mina mangicabanga le track bengiyi-1 no camera track le-1 ngaba grand mangadonsa Chico ngamtshela Chico mpito washifebe leshiya shiyandla sona so atana mina shifebe shamina shiyandla sona so actually track but laba indaba ithi ngitsheleni DX wena ngakushela DX uwe lo ngikushela ubaby girl ene wena uChico lo wakushela DX wakushela ubaby girl should like
benithu na ku baby girl
like if track like the second track yam no Chico C2 I understand so like obvious as masintwana sini love is happy asicapha abafazi banjani so like because ngamagama okay awutancolela uthamina uChico like bayarea ngogogo la na bayarea ngothando yabo uthando beke okay eksiyama ugogo eksika Chico so like njengoba social DX uChico lena ngasitshela ukuthi like it's just a track uChico ringa no girl mina ngiringa no girl ngoba like mina into engikhulumayo like akusi track nje into esenhlizweni okay like
ukuflopelo ukhambi lo flopelo
ngishanga enkwayindana sibeka wena ngishanga enkwayindana nabo exbabaya yabo mara wena like okay khona wospan ngeke nibiza ngamagama mara wena exyami uwe waqava ejardini should like ngikhuluma ngawe if yasicava ukuthi angathi ukhuluma ngami ngikula yena lo
ngomenda
yazi le track ngelinye line elingishayela yalakhisa le line ithini na jam ongayitibi wena uyitibala ka yina wara toilet
ay track yini le
elip khona le track engilaziyo
le jam uringa kwena ngakuye yesichangana
mara
Chico like kule track uChico beka grand like beka ringa into ezohlangana noma ubani oy out siya ku relationship yabo but for me the track be personal like njengoba se record anginada ngamtshela ukuthi like njengoba like ithi beka uyacaba le track le sikhuluma ngayo warideba lo should like akuna chorus nje yami
zasuka
yakwela kule chorus bekumele sifake enye out la yawusiye ngathi yaseGhana la usithingizela ngesilungu ene manje ngiyabheka isilungu ngisicaba ngikwazi nokusifunda yabo ngayitshela ukuthi abodi mina ngiyimali lehlele le It's even ushika uphuma voice isikhathi uphuma egomoro ulethwa yimi ediplu ashay track njalo dabona should like what the force out time shout out to the force out time if engasuwe the force mfethi texini bangasam dio mfethu ndi texini because of you the texini ngore una ma 7 na ini mfethu nodlala part ngore like non recorder yabona ona the force like first track amenga yipa like alefina ni Bena Chico I record ka the force ifikira akura past 8 akura past 7 ukufika ka first time emengena studio akura past 7 Bana Chico bana uslinga papiti ukifika ra studio wasliya ya studio yiku ayafethi mina 8 o'clock niyabona generation wasibona kaRamon half past cabanga lo muntu yasinyela ka uthi half past 8 o'clock uyobheka generation methe message first time first time ye baba Chico obashayela ntwana like mina track ramina na wena ngare baro sungula repeat futhi akusi 30 minutes maybe ma 25 minutes ngoba like masifika half past bekashayile la uChico washayi chorus washayi verse what time mina ngiqedile things sekumele we first time ngina experience
uChico bekuyi first time
iri true first time Chico sakaqedile sponsor sekumele baye feta mina ngangena ngashayi track masisibheka isikhathi bethi maybe ma 5 past 8 sedile ngetrack uNtanga wasiguy project wagay le producer sabamnane from there sakhipha itrack nontwana
bahlanyela
itrack ekasi ngathi bayasifatela sakhipha second track yazikhambile wena unenza flow boy nampa should like uChico so ecaba uChico khambile yabana no like afem nga bank pause eboard
desala pa uChico 30 minutes at 7
yabo ngibhemezona lento lezi nokuthi yabo so Chico must record a track asizwanga itrack khona wathi bana with DJ Virus beyidumile etipprove like ezikhrodi and then awuthama Hypnotic Soul shout out to you Buchiro arota changa like ezinye like ezinqanswe kwanoma ngifaka potweni like ilezi lokho noma ngaduma ngidume like things in 120 things ngicama yabo so untwana wasiletha la ku Virus sasha track asaphuma kanye asilizwanga le track ukuthi like repeat asicaba ukuthi like on point recorded si happy with us recording aphuma track nje should like njengokutshela izone 2 nama 693 like abaZulu amashangana ahlangana namavenda so like mazothi ngemashanganeni ngemavendeni emashangani nabesuthu so like le track la duma la shanganeni okay khona things khona cheap uChico like that domain baba awona khalo domain we like uChico like what duma before okay thingi bekani like no Chico like that domain mara uChico like bekadume ngokuthi like ilezi ezislim esike mina bengidume ngesitoko bengibiza Batman baba day bengibalela 3 yabo like bengine schedule like bengine morning ne afternoon
ne night
should like it's ngibalele yona morning bekuzinhle afternoon isikhathi nyana bekumandisa and then late hours bekusinye isifebe bathi uthanda DX
nomtshela Marco flopela masibadela ka3 la
akachabi mina phela yazi flopela like lesifebe lesi wasifebe sijone neBarnyana seFreedom Park ihlala ngaseTariya shila shila neBarnyana ngifine flow ngilanda ngihlala la 35 ngasemkhukhwini lekasi semkhukhwini like nje mina leBarle ivayitshela abantu ukuthi yena ngishaya ngesipina kanti ayicabi ukuthi like mina ngithikena
so
uteki like nje ngeke uzongichomela ukuthi like yo mfela bengidla ini ngiphuma la nje ngiyacaba ukuthi akubudla ini so islim Info, we bar, ufamba uthola abantu gold bestina wena. I'm sorry to say this now. Like izinto zosikhuluma vandag. Akusinto like engisikhuluma like every day. Mina khona abantu ababhaba ngicaba njami. Ungaringa ngami wena. Usitshela ukuthi hayi abayicabile ya ngayi. Kada lo tsoringa naye. Eyangicaba sika mara ngeke ukutshela ukuthi so like mina if I left here kanje utawala yeparle iproud ngokuthi idla amarenza wami ene manje mathi ngabheka mina big steak so ngikre
banje nale soza sekokotela
phela singaloku sidonse sephama ye-free rose yabo mara hayi phela ye-free rose somewhere ngayi iproud info wewe proud ukuthi amarenza mama ubharo wena ngeke proud ukuthi amarenza mama uthingwanya wewe famba uthola abantu ku on bestina siri wena kahle ka wena mina ni role model wena ni celebrate wena ulakudela ndiyakona effect lento le yangifika ngiseditufu njami impact yacaba wathekani mangithi ngiyabalifile ngithi angicama ugele ngiyamazi ugele bekuye kusiyama ngathi awuthi agele it 1 2 doish phuto yebo ndugu Monday more nhlata kuchika la Viking ayimtsama kwa freedom bar mfika la Viking la tadanya Spenya la ntamshavela bag ani ngomla ngoshuseliwe futhi ntomsela nyana chipsanyana namahlahlanyana ani ngomla ngoshuseliwe ami proud mithi bashfu mina ngibe proud ngokudla amarenza wonyitsongo khona ba tshele bar should like le ngifuna like even if like izobhekele ngibe ne story baba mina ngeke ngizolela ugele baba mina khona bogele kube like mangicela ukuperform bayangifuna mara mina ngifuna ngoba mina ngifuna lebohanga lebohanga bafethu angicabi nina mara lebohanga
isithombe sakhe
like mangathula isithombe sakhe like ngizohlala kakhulu nabo ngoba ngathi khothman Spanish kid ngikushasha igwele buhanga ishisa wankomo like ngengilook like ngingile mina nje amthintshele ivalo like ever since kwaba yini ngazabambe glove mina like ngidume before ngirapper bengu-Batman ecaba u-Batman thamela Lil Wayne yeah mongafika ngifuna u-Batman bazokhomba mina exactly njalo so like ngithe mangirapper so ukuthi sengidumile sefile yami selingcolile ngizona mina njalo mina bengizifebe lezi njalo I'm sorry ukuthi ukunimiza ngey'tshaba but ngiyazi nani asilastanga isikhathi eside shit like bekulezi mana sengachuluka no
asevala sunsun ngizona
ayida masirana ngale ex yami ne yangikwatisa like uchulukile namanje that's why ngikwata boy like ijwa nebhara nyana nje shangane udampi shangane ujwa neshangane usukuthi ukukhomela uthu baro wena
please
yeah please ayi baba mina yaphika baba like baba mina thought like na Chris ne ayi baba ayi alikishama lefana na mina like ngiyibelieve ukuthi like alikishama lefana nami njengoba ngijulukile manje ngachuluka cause like wena ekusiyami wena ngihambela inyanga bengithi mina nawe sofa silahla angikaya wa eniranda kunya thishile wana interesa wana ankhome weshikhome lokho ngikhome weshikhome ngoba kuyingoma sithisho bakhaba ishuta shot mara caba iringi yini ne ishpan like so bhala ke boma ex girlfriend it secret ya like atrembelini vayini like mina boy like ni munhu ananyensena na ka ti prophet nakucaba ukuthi khipha why like ngibhayiseka like nakucaba so nakufika la kutsela ka wena ngeke umthole umfazi ngoba le ex yakho kugele no mina ex mina next angale njami na ex amaningi mara mina ex yami iwana abayicaba echartini lebehla lezo nsizwe ngiyasona ukuthi bengijolela nezokusiza dayeditufu la yabo so like okay uye wangenza ukuthi like ngiphaphame yabo ngibona ukuthi okay like shit
abantu abanjani
beyangifatela feel like yena but beyangacabi ukuthi like izinto ezofika la sifike khona but mina bese like angiringa no girl ringa nathi girl ukuthi ayekile ukutshela abantu ukuthi like
ngishayela sting
yebot ngiyami nibhange sting yebot nomthikana yena ngomani loloyo and emthekundongela yena nemgaye yena ngomani loloyo
ngamlahle
sama anungilabi lokho anungilabi sama kwa freedom ikanje like ontanga like ngamandisa ngisaploma deproof what about ngisaploma ngiploma here from back should like ngela angimfundo mntana in fact like ngigrand ngcono ngodonsi drug ugrand wona mntana mina in fact ngizodala ukudlela ngebharenyana ngeshangana
yambathela uthi
ayoseni kur like ngithiya yini like if ayitswela abana noma like balaba ibatswela babe batantswela kra khotman ayicaba uthesa umqane icama ngakuyijona yona angu angina flop angindaba na ngihlangana na info nomakala wena hayi angindaba nayo mfethu
yo eksema bethu
imapele pina kuvala mfethu ngini question ngara kuna question tende
before uvala Benito ngikombela ukubutisa cause it seems like mtshama mi studio mi mona recorda kuna the performance as much as you're saying ku ri kuna vanhu vo tala loko mi heta ku performa maybe va tlahlela ka n'wina and stuff mara vanhu va nga rindzela like iphirini kumbe n'wina since mi humesi that 2 track a ma hana music lowu mi nga ta humesa like ku fana na ti-EP kumbe album or anything
no like mabona for vanhu lava va nga fika before ku va na ti-online music wa mina like ba khomile hinkwawo but lava nga ta after kusukuma ti-online ba music but like xipani xikona xipani sikhona njalo like
sema ufuna usithola basithola kanjani
no kwamanye like iflop into engibambayo ukuthi like le outing engirecorda u-fantastic ithama like Orlando so like mina ngiyenzeni mina ngimgayela isikhathi nyana adile ngama personal issues wakhe but like isipana ama track nje amakhuleka yebo ngoma khona yebo
because the reason ibutisa cause mina defense and defense seswani tari ndeni music seswani ku dela yini Spotify ku dela ti iTunes ku dela ti YouTube and stuff
xikona xipano
so mi nga ku yini ka defense ta wena vanhu lava va nga mi supporta especially loko mkhambula mu ku ri mina defense ta Mazulu mina defense ta Machangane as well mi nga ku yini ka vona na ku va tshembisa leswi swa hataku kahle
okay mani veka so kuna nyiko ngoveni kuna nyiko mathebula ko vo dima lava wana i vanhu va nga ndla ku like nimbala ni nga kona fanda yabo repa ni fika la nga kona fanda so ni nga ku ka vona xipani xi kona ku va sweswi like ni boy producer like una ma personal issues wakhe but like u recorda mastering everything like it's shoto ukuthi like na atile ngenkinga zakhe angihlohlela isipani masihlohla isipani sifaka online tingoma tikona hayi like
batimela ti track online nje initial
mara ihlata ku like ezima yimile tingoma ta mina ngibabhaye singini wabo ngibabhaye singini
mara loko mina profit makata boring
ifaswe yimina ubale ukuthi 2 ta September I'm drop a track like nge2 birthday yami so like if we ngami nginga producer abe nge2 ngimgaye track for free angifuni like let's ngama so the track ebold kahle mona ku the track album okay mona ku na album nga recorda mina la batte ba ku music wa mina va sita ku na track n'wana beri tawa sekle ya ni teka album le nga ta keep no so ni boy and cabani boy as no channel boy I produce abo like mina for set ramena and recordile everything ni see studio non boy ku ri ntanga master ansendela but like for me that okay mina buy mina ngishanga ama fans ayi2 for my fans wa my2 ama track like album ikhona should ukuthi like mina ngilithole kimi like ngiliphase ngithi na le album mara lona likhona ngirecordile yonke into ngibackuphile should ukuthi like I producer ama-star angisendele
Yeah,
so like into eshaya manje like ngithe maringa ne-producer woma last week watithama like njengoba sikhuluma njengoba ngithi i-producer yabo fantastic ithama like besesibhedlela yabo so sema sikhuluma woma last week angitshela ukuthi ithama or la so like angeke ngifune
ukufakelelela
so ngibele ngathi ithi ngihlehle ngimye kade yena ama personal wakhe hayi mina zilonke mina ngirecordile album if asuya yimina album afemini kuma 82 September next month if asuya yimina but no senikhoma producer ngalapho ngashipane ayintamgasi ngile mkhoma moya yabo
so bitu ra album name ngo if asheng namtayo mesa bitra
Makhuta
Hlabele kontsona rap o ka se rap
no wata Makhuta Hlabele khipa yini nani mbombi nimishengo noma nchabalala yabo so yena ko chabalala bombombi ebot mina imshengo ne ngona senibulabana ngwena bengesitwisi la mina imbombi nimshengo noma Makhuta Hlabele mchaba so Makhuta Hlabele ufana kunoku ichabalala
nasisesa wena michachemela minto orningeni I know
usini
bam praise
shit like noma ngishanga egoni njalo yabona ngiva mina ngingafika endlini njalo ngihlabile la ngoba ngifamba minto orningeni shit like ngihamba like lento lengigwazile ikhona lenyaweni ngoze ngifike endlini shit like noma ngangigwaza njalo ngafika endlini ngithi abandihlabile mangisesibhedlela uchabalala loyo famba minto orningeni angithola njalo
so Khotman mina i-favorite part yamina le Khotman ngathi plug kancane from hlaba ngama 3 questions
bekele
manje sengizomxolela yabo ngizomsenta
ngabotisa ngachapa
3 questions
abotisa
bafethu it's about that time sithanda le sound ethi pu ngiyajala sisiyangena manje I'll give you 5 Khotman
sure
anditabana le
ngachapa kwa
ngiyachapa
hamba na 5 black
yale hamba na 5 black
clear ngibonile ngiyacaba izinto khulenge ngibonile
okay Tim
sure
question
sure
number 1 what comes down but never goes up
what comes down but never goes up until I bheka mawumfalo wani ula kunhlasela esikolweni matric kwamina wende i2009 yebaba ngimtshile umntwana yebaba yabona mozongibuza ngokuthi yazi lento leyifana nani nje like mina ngile shanga lakhulile eJozi lekusifana sosasithuna kudama sifana sobo thayi noyima inenge angicabi lale angicabi ngikhulile eJozi mina angicabi like same shit njam like ubus like uyibhayi shangana but like ubuyana and man lales look but this way like legama le angilibhalanga cause that I'm stupid abantu especially amazulu ishangana lento le so like mangizovela kanje like angifuni like ngifuna ubona ishangana yes
endetelela yakusijanga
mazongisukela njalo okay yebo iman ni violence nya the first time I tool ya I like angivalisa ama fans ufika na Khotman u7
nochiko
opse Khotman things zero problem yi because of wena things so rap because of wena ifakaro wena antabanga rap engulele angazula nolimi mina wena mphethe inkwenu mfethu inkwenu knock smash box yababa sonke baba ngiyacaba vele sina neminyaka singakhuluma yazi west sonke otherwise hayi great mame yamara kuba ngathi ngiyakhoma bheka buka sirap ngifatela uma 7 unox no awushika kusika sirap ufeka si no cancer crash yam you
okay
thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop a video, you will be notified.